My name's Travis Rotelli with Studio 41. I want to welcome you to the Naperville Design Point. We have 3 showrooms here, our Studio 41, our Kohler Store, and our kitchen cabinets to go. Let's go take a look. Here at Studio 41, we really want to be the location as a one-stop shop for all of your home remodeling needs. Whether it's plumbing fixtures, kitchen cabinets, countertops, hardware, even windows and doors. Our Kohler Store is a boutique shopping experience for our homeowners and designers to fully immerse themselves in the Kohler family brand of products. Working with our expert design team, we can do drawings and 3D renderings to help bring your space to life. The interactive element of the showroom, such as our working showers, allows you to touch and feel the product before actually investing and putting it in your own home. We also love to feature our wellness suite with saunas and cold plunges to elevate your everyday routine. At Studio 41, we want everyone to have access to beautiful kitchen cabinets, no matter budget or design. And that's why we created Kitchen Cabinets to Go. Utilizing our 3 curated brands of kitchen cabinets, we can have product ready for you in as little as a day or up to 3 weeks, depending on your design. In a world of online shopping, we know how important it is to come into a showroom and touch and feel the product that you're thinking about putting into your own home. With the hundreds of relationships that we've built with our vendors, we can help bring your vision to life. Thanks for stopping by to visit us at Studio 41's Naperville Design Point. To book an appointment online, see us at studio41.com. We look forward to seeing you soon.